Hello again to all my friends. This is Mr. Benjamin here. Well, I'm trying to write with the eraser. See, it already starts off, like, hilariously. Mr. Benjamin. What do I have always beside my name?
Smiley.
A smiley face. Always. Because if you're not smiling, you're not trying. That doesn't really make any sense, but, you know, that's fine. This is our student review. And it is... No. Spelling off again. Review. And it's November 6th or 7th today? November 7th. Nov 7, 2017. And because it's around that time, why don't we draw a little poppy? Which doesn't really look like a poppy, but if you use your imagination...
That's a poppy.
That's a poppy, right? Anyways, you hear some voices. These are the voices of my students. Would my students like to say hello?
Hello. Hi, Ro.
Hi. Yeah, awesome. We are going to go through volume. And you know what? I'm going to get rid of this whole page because it looks bad. But let's talk about volume. What is volume? Anyone? Students?
Volume is
Anyone want to have
the inside of a shape.
Okay, the inside of a shape. When we talk about volume, what are we really considering? Like, what are we looking for? There's a word that's just the letter A. It's not apples. Area? Area is part of it, but other student over there? Well, A-M. Let's do a little hangman thing here. A-M, blank, 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 blank. I think that's spelled wrong, but that's okay. A-M. Amounts. I always spell this word wrong. Is it two M's or one M? I think it's one M. Okay. You see, that never actually happened. It was just amounts. See? It's the amounts that an object can take. And we calculate this, depending on the shape, by using different formulas. Can someone give me a formula and the corresponding formula? Or, no. Someone give me a shape and the corresponding formula. Yes, student. Well, I meant that student behind you.
A cube would be length times width times height.
Very nice. So that's my makeshift cube. Volume of cube equals length multiplied by width multiplied by height. Anybody else? Oh, actually, yeah, student, you can. I'm sorry.
A cylinder would be 2 pi r times height.
2 pi r multiplied by height. Very good. And I think the last kind of shape we looked at was a triangular prism. So volume of that. Well, rectangular prism and a cube are the same thing.
Yeah, I guess you
right? So that would be base multiplied by height divided by 2 for the base of the triangle, all multiplied by height. Oh, thank you. The one that's holding it up there. Very nice. And I think that's it for this, right? Yep. So our first group is working on, remind me what shape you're doing? Cubes. Okay, so volume of a cube with sides equaling, what's a good number to use? 7 centimeters. Go for the goals.
Cube is also known as a cuboid.
See, it's a lot harder to write on that than it looks, huh?
Yeah, it is.
They're not laughing at you, they're laughing with you.
Yeah, I know.
Or they're laughing at me, which apparently is okay.
So it's 7.
Other student, you want to chime in?
Times what?
7.
Times...
Multiplied by.
Multiply.
Thank you.
Times what?
7.
Equals what?
343.
Okay.
Is that kind of, it's because it's solar operated? Okay. Grab mine, it's right beside. Yeah, that's fine, right? Wait, yeah. Just the phone, you can grab it. It's okay, it's not going to hurt. It might, you never know.
So that would be...
Go for it. Oh.
That's not...
Technical difficulties. There it is.
So... Yeah. So that would be 343 centimeters cubed.
Do we agree? Yes? Yep. Is there anything that we can kind of change on this that makes it easier to work with? Like there's some steps that you might want to take beforehand? What we'll draw? You want to draw it out?
Sure.
You can change the color too if you want. Like that's red, or if you tap it again, you can pick whatever color you want.
Yeah.
But just make sure that it looks good with the green background. Just like black, I'm finding hard, difficulty to see. Yep, just tap.
Okay. Well, it was just a quick example, but you should do V.
Yep.
And whatever shape you're doing.
Very nice.
I'm not an artist. Equals 7 times 7 times 7 equals.
It's really hard to write on this thing. It is.
It is.
Yeah, erasers. That's not the eraser. Let me just fix this up as well.
Special.
There you go. It looks like a chalkboard eraser, kind of. Yes.
Then we go. Well, the formula for this is.
Yep. There you go. That's what I was looking for. Length times width times height, or width times length times height. Equals answer. Very nice.
Yes.
The only other thing that I would do to maybe help this out is to actually draw a picture of it. So I would well, just to get a visual representation of what this is.
I'm not an artist.
No one is saying that you have to be an artist. 7 centimeters.
You can draw.
Good. Yeah, I can draw a really good caterpillar. That's yeah. Let's not worry about that. All right. Thank you very much, first pair of students. Second group, you were doing a cylinder from what I remember? All right. So I'm going to spearhead this one, and I'm actually going to draw said cylinder because I really like drawing cylinders. And we're going to say that this cylinder has a height or an R. That was supposed to say height. H equals, how about 9 centimeters? Is that cool?
Yep.
And we're going to have a diameter, D, equaling 4 centimeters. And pi, as we know, equals, no, pi equals delicious. Yeah. Not funny, I get it. You try coming up with better jokes. 3.14. Go for the goal. And please explain what we're doing while we're doing it.
Okay. So we're gonna do volume, obviously.
Louder. You almost have to yell.
Okay, so pi, radius, times, wait, okay.
By the way, thank you all for being so quiet. Beautiful. You could silent ball level afterwards. Not right now.
Okay, and that is
Like, some of us might want to point something out here, but keep going. Oh, wait, you got it there. Never mind.
okay. So
I dropped my sticky notes.
I'm not that talkative.
I know, you should be explaining as you're going. It's good, the writing's very clear, but it's like, oh, look, numbers. So how's everyone else doing? Good. I didn't even see those two down there. It's crazy.
That's the answer.
Well, what is that? What does it mean, though? You gotta tell us. Explain it.
Okay.
And that area is blocked off. You can see it. It's like the Dockery symbol. But whatever. Come on. It's not gonna hurt you.
Okay.
Okay. Start from here. Start from the beginning. Look, we'll use the makeshift eraser, which is actually a highlighter. What is that line? What is that telling us? That's the, come here and say it. You as well. This is the formula. Explain what each piece means. That,
That's pi.
that, and that.
That's radius, and that's height.
Okay, so we have pi, radius, and height. Boom, boom, boom. What was this down here? Why did this happen? No reason apparently.
Because that's the diameter, and
That's
you have
right.
to divide it by
I gave you diameter, which is the whole length across the top of that circle. You need radius, which is only half. So 4 divided by 2, which is half, gives you 2. Then we took our numbers and we kind of put them together, right?
Yep.
Which was? Yeah. Say what that is.
What, pi?
Pi multiplied by?
2 times 2.
Because this is radius squared. And then we multiplied it by the height, which was 9.
Yep.
And we got our answer of 113.04 centimeters cubed. Merci beaucoup.
You're welcome.
Next group. What did we say we were doing? Yeah, you guys, right? Let's go. So I'm pretty sure this was our triangular prism, correct? Yes. So let's draw a nice triangular prism, which I am an expert at drawing. You know, I'm going to make it bigger. Do-do-do-do. 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 There you go. They got it. Very nice. Okay. So this is our Addams family household. No. But what kind of information do we need from this triangular prism?
The what?
We need the what's some dash. Okay, let's get rid of all that jazz.
You need the length of the base and the height of one of the.
So why don't you start off by telling me what the formula would be?
Base times height.
Base multiplied by height.
Divided by 2 times height.
All of that multiplied by height. So we need base times height divided by 2. That is the triangle itself, correct?
Yep.
So let's get some value. I'm going to put that on the bottom triangle. It'll be easier to see. So we'll say the base of that triangle is 3 centimeters. We will say the height of that triangle is, what number haven't we used yet? How about 6 centimeters? 6 cm. And we need the height of our whole thing. We will say 12. All right, go for the gold.
So, base, so 3 times the height, which is 6, equals 18. And then times 12, no, divided by 2.
Yeah. Eraser.
Wait, where's that?
The one that looks like an eraser. That's a highlighter again. There, yep, there you go.
So divided by 2. 9
Yeah.
equals 9. So 9 times 12. 100.
What's up? Oh.
106.
Oh.
102.
No.
No.
It's more than what you've been saying.
It's
108.
Yeah.
There you go.
That's close.
We were very close, which is why I didn't want to.
108 what?
And so the volume of this triangle prism is 108
108 cows?
108
chickens? Centimeters? Centimeters.
108.
Yeah.
108.
Yeah, centimeters
CM
3. Centimeters cubed. Very nice. Thank you very much. And I believe we are on to our last group. Ignore those bells. They have nothing to do with us. And this group was looking at a rectangular prism. Let's just draw it this way. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Little straight lines, even though it's like not really matched up anymore, but that's okay. Do. That's fine. It's one of those special rectangular prisms. Okay, what is our formula for this? Length times width times. Speak up.
Length times width times height.
Length multiplied by width multiplied by height. So we need values for these. Let's assign some values. What do we want that to be? 20? Cool. 20 what? Meters? 20 meters. It's a big one. What else? We need something over here. 150?
No.
Yeah, 150 meters. And our last one?
You're allowed to use a calculator.
Of course, yeah.
10.
10. Okay, I'll just give you 10. Good. Go for it.
Okay. So.
Change the color. Feel free if you want to.
How do you change the color?
Yep, click on the pen. Look at all those colors. Yes, yep. There you go.
So you have to do 10 meters times 20 meters times 150 meters. Which, how big is this?
Not really, it's just a bunch of zeros. Take away the zeros, you can still multiply, right?
Equals.
Just take the zeros away.
It equals, so 10 times 20 times 150 equals 3,000 meter cubed.
3,000 meters cubed. That's pretty big. Yeah? Yeah? Very nice. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Now, any errors, omissions, anything we have to fix up on this? Aside from my writing, which we know is bad. And, yeah, that's about it, no? So our first example was of our cube. Correct. And a cube had 7 centimeter sides. So we multiplied the number 7 by 7, then by 7 again, because volume equals length multiplied by width multiplied by height. That's a W. And we ended up with 343 centimeters cubed. Très bien. Next, we had a cylinder. Cylinders are kind of unique in the sense that they have a circle on either side. So we first had to start with the area of our circle, which is pi r squared. And then we multiplied it by our height. 3.14 is our value for pi. Bless you. Multiplied that by 2 twice, because half of our diameter is 2. Then we ended up with our value of 12.56, which we multiplied by the height of 9. And we got 113.04 centimeters cubed. Then we moved on to our triangular prism. This, again, is slightly unique because we have to consider the triangle base. And as we know, triangles are half of a square. If I take this square, which isn't really a square, but cut it in half, look at that, I got 2 triangles. One there, right? Yeah, cool, no, okay, whatever. We multiply the area of the triangle, which is base, multiplied by height, divided by 2. Multiply that all by the height of the prism. And when you add those values together, or not add them, but multiply those values together, you end up with your answer of 108 centimeters cubed. Finally, our giant rectangular prism. Volume is length multiplied by width multiplied by height. We took our values of 10, 20, and 150, put them into our formula. 10, 20, 150, and we end up with 3,000 meters cubed. Check mark. What do we say at the end of all of our videos? Thank you.
Bye.
This is thank you written in highlighter. Let's try thank you written in something else. What else we got? We have spray paint. Spray paint's pretty cool.
But glitter.
I don't have glitter.
But you need glitter.
We can make glitter. Okay, watch.
Could we
Watch,
say
look.
thank you in smiley face with
Look, see, it's glittery now, is it not? Isn't that cool? It's glittery. Can you see that? Oh, I'd like to see you do better. Yes, you were. Don't lie to me. Look at that. Glitter. I can do this all day, but that's 19 minutes now, so let's stop it there.
Oh, jeez.
Bye-bye.
We have to